KashKick does not require a large amount of phone storage compared with many apps because it is mainly used for completing online earning activities through its platform. By the end, you'll know what affects KashKick storage usage, how to check the space it takes on your device, and what steps can reduce unnecessary storage use. The first thing to understand is that an app's listed download size is not always the same as the total storage it uses after installation. Apps can collect temporary files, save data, and cached information while you use them. To check how much space KashKick uses, open your phone settings and view your installed apps. On Android, go to Settings, then Apps, select KashKick, and check the storage section. On iPhone, open Settings, go to General, then iPhone Storage, and select KashKick. The second section is understanding what increases storage usage. The KashKick app itself is only one part of the storage calculation. Temporary files, app updates, and stored data can increase the total space used over time. If you notice the app using more storage than expected, start by clearing unnecessary app data, or reinstalling the app if your device settings allow it. Reinstalling removes old temporary files and gives you a fresh installation. Before deleting the app, make sure you know your login details so you can access your account again. Your account information is connected to your KashKick account, not just the app installation on your phone. The third section is keeping storage usage under control. Check your storage settings occasionally and remove apps or files you no longer need. Keeping enough free storage on your device can also help apps run more smoothly. App size can also change over time because developers release updates that add improvements, fix issues, or change how the app works. The storage amount shown on your phone is the most accurate measurement for your device. If you mainly use KashKick through a browser instead of the app, storage usage may be different because your browser handles saved data separately. To summarize, KashKick storage usage depends on the app installation, saved data, and temporary files. Your phone settings show the exact storage amount, and clearing unnecessary data can help manage space. Your next step is to check KashKick in your phone's storage settings and compare the current usage with the available space on your device. If this guide helped you understand KashKick app size, like the video and subscribe for more online earning guides.